Sometimes there's not light at the end of the tunnel, and fortunately for me there was.
It was like a life sentence of being inactive and being in pain.
All I seemed to do from one operation to the next was to get back where I was. And where I was wasn't good enough.
I was diagnosed with cancer, and I went through radical hysterectomy and chemotherapy and radiotherapy combined. The NHS has spent so much money getting me back together, and I thought, I don't want them to spend any more on me. I want myself to get fitter. Hopefully, I'll see a new me, because you're doing something and it takes your mind off things and gives you a more positive attitude.
Unfortunately, I've been plagued with osteoarthritis in my knees. I had my first of 10 operations when I was 42, and eventually this culminated in one knee replacement and then eventually the other knee replacement. I still felt the need to do things, but didn't think I could do them. I love my retirement, I love my health, my state of well-being. My knee replacements are going to need replacing in the next 5 years, and I know that I will never be so fit going into an operation as I will this time.
So they diagnosed the prolapse disc. I had 4 operations within 4 months to try and repair that, but it didn't work. I was told there was nothing more they could do for me. I saw another surgeon who said that I had to have spinal fusion surgery, which is more or less a metal cage put at the base of my spine to hold everything together. And after it, yeah, things were better. There was still a lot of pain, still on a lot of medication. I became quite depressed. I lost my job through it, and now all that's changed. I don't take any medication, so that's how much it's changed my life.
I'm older, I used to think I can't do what the 21-year-olds do, but now I'll have a go. I may not do it as fast as them, I may not do it as long as them, but I'll certainly have a go.
I'm excited about life again, which I wasn't just over a year ago.
You know, I've achieved one goal by surviving, and you know, this is my next target.